In a world where battery changes are becoming a thing of the past, solar-powered watches are shaping the future of timekeeping. Today, we're counting down the top 7 best solar watches from G-Shock, timepieces that perfectly blend innovation, toughness, and modern style. From rugged outdoor performers built to survive extreme conditions to sleek, refined designs suited for everyday wear, these watches harness light as their endless power source and are engineered to run smoothly for years without interruption. If you want reliability, advanced technology, and premium craftsmanship all in one package, this list is exactly what you're looking for. Let's step into the future of watches, where energy comes from the sun, not batteries. Number 7. The Casio G-Shock Rangeman GW9400 is one of the most respected and adventure-ready watches in the G-Shock lineup, built to withstand extreme conditions while offering an impressive range of professional-grade functions. Designed with a rugged shock-resistant structure and mud-resistant construction, this watch is made for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and anyone who demands exceptional durability. One of its standout features is the triple sensor technology, which provides accurate readings for altitude, barometric pressure, temperature, and compass direction, making it an invaluable tool for hiking, trekking, and exploration. The watch is powered by tough solar technology, allowing it to recharge through natural and artificial light, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements. Multi-band 6-atomic timekeeping ensures precise time synchronization by automatically receiving calibration signals from around the world. The large digital display offers excellent visibility, complemented by a powerful LED backlight for easy reading in low-light conditions. Number 6. The Seiko Prospex Speedtimer Solar Chronograph is a sophisticated sports watch that blends vintage-inspired design with modern technology and exceptional reliability. Drawing inspiration from Seiko's rich history in precision timekeeping, this watch features a highly legible dial with contrasting subdials that provide a classic chronograph appearance while ensuring excellent readability. Powered by an advanced solar movement, it converts both natural and artificial light into energy, delivering dependable performance without the inconvenience of regular battery replacements. The chronograph function allows precise measurement of elapsed time, making it ideal for motorsport enthusiasts and those who appreciate accurate timing capabilities. A date display adds everyday practicality, while the sapphire crystal provides superior scratch resistance and lasting clarity. The stainless steel case and bracelet offer durability and a refined look that transitions effortlessly from casual settings to more formal occasions. Number 5. The Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar is an innovative timepiece that successfully combines traditional Swiss watchmaking with modern smart technology, offering a unique blend of elegance, functionality, and sustainability. Crafted with premium materials and a robust design, this watch features a tactile sapphire crystal touchscreen that provides easy access to a wide range of functions while maintaining the appearance of a sophisticated analog timepiece. Powered by solar energy, it captures both natural and artificial light to deliver exceptional battery life and reduce the need for frequent charging. The watch offers smart connectivity with compatible devices, allowing users to access notifications, activity tracking, weather updates, and various performance-related features while preserving privacy and energy efficiency. Its lightweight yet durable construction, often enhanced with titanium components, ensures comfort and resilience for everyday wear and outdoor adventures alike. The highly legible dial is complemented by luminous hands and markers for excellent visibility in different lighting conditions. Number 4. The Citizen Promaster Tough Eco Drive is a rugged and highly dependable timepiece designed for those who demand exceptional durability and reliable performance in challenging environments. Built with a strong and purpose-driven design, this watch features a hardened case construction that provides outstanding resistance to scratches, impacts, and everyday wear, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures and demanding activities. At the heart of the watch is Citizen's renowned Eco Drive technology, which harnesses energy from both natural and artificial light to power the movement, eliminating the need for regular battery replacements while ensuring long-lasting accuracy. The clean and highly legible dial is equipped with bold hour markers and luminous hands that offer excellent visibility in low-light conditions. A sapphire crystal enhances durability and maintains exceptional clarity, while the comfortable strap options contribute to a secure and practical fit. Number 3. The Casio Oceanus OCW T200 is a refined and elegantly engineered timepiece that showcases Casio's dedication to premium craftsmanship and advanced technology within a sleek, minimalist design. Built with a strong focus on sophistication, this watch features a lightweight yet durable titanium case that offers exceptional comfort on the wrist while maintaining excellent resistance to corrosion and daily wear. Its clean dial design reflects a modern aesthetic, with well-balanced indices and hands that ensure superb legibility without unnecessary clutter. One of the key highlights of the Oceanus OCW T200 is its radio-controlled multi-band 6 technology, which allows the watch to automatically synchronize with atomic time signals, ensuring outstanding accuracy across different regions. In addition, it is powered by tough solar technology, enabling it to recharge efficiently through any light source and maintain long-term, maintenance-free performance. The sapphire crystal covering the dial enhances scratch resistance and clarity, preserving its premium look over time. Number 2. The Seiko Astron GPS Solar is a groundbreaking timepiece that represents the perfect fusion of cutting-edge satellite technology and high-end Japanese watchmaking precision. Designed for global travelers and professionals who demand absolute accuracy, this watch automatically connects to GPS satellites to determine the wearer's exact location and adjusts the time accordingly, no matter where in the world it is used. Powered entirely by advanced solar technology, it converts both natural and artificial light into energy, ensuring long-lasting performance without the need for battery changes. The design of the Astron reflects a modern, futuristic aesthetic with a bold yet refined dial layout that enhances readability and sophistication. Its durable titanium construction offers exceptional strength while remaining lightweight and comfortable for everyday wear. Sapphire crystal protection ensures superior scratch resistance and long-term clarity, while features such as world time, perpetual calendar, and daylight saving adjustment make it highly practical for international use. Number 1. The Citizen Eco Drive 1 is an extraordinary achievement in minimalist luxury watchmaking, engineered to deliver exceptional elegance in one of the slimmest analog solar-powered designs ever created. It reflects Citizen's mastery of precision engineering, where every component is meticulously reduced in size without compromising performance or reliability. At the heart of the watch is the advanced Eco Drive movement, which harnesses light energy from any natural or artificial source, eliminating the need for battery replacement while maintaining consistent and accurate timekeeping. Its ultra-thin case construction gives it a sleek, almost floating presence on the wrist, making it ideal for formal wear and refined everyday style. The dial design is intentionally clean and sophisticated, emphasizing simplicity, balance, and readability, often paired with finely finished hands and markers that enhance its premium aesthetic. Sapphire crystal protection ensures durability and scratch resistance while preserving its crystal-clear appearance over time.